basic network lab we can do. So what I can say here, in this one I will take one router, this one router I am taking, and I will take some switches here. I taken some switches and then I will click some devices here. 3 computer I am taking here, and then after that I will connect this computer to this switch. This is a basic lab, we will say how to configure the router we are learning here. Then after that it will connect here, it will connect here. And now after that we can say, I can give the name here, this name I can give as R1, and here I can keep anyway like this, and this side we will use the IP schema 192.168.1.1/24, and this side we will use another IP schema 192.168.2.1/24. So this is the basic lab. And what else we can do here, we can assign the IP here. So this is a label, I will put 192.168.1.2. this is a label. I am going to assign this IP to this machine. I will go to this desktop IP config and I will put here the gateway should be the router interface IP. So this one I am putting here, and here I will do the same thing like 1.3 here I will write, and I can copy, I can paste this here desktop, and then I will put here the IP and here the gateway will be 1.1, and same thing here I will give the IP 1.4, and then I will copy and I will paste here desktop and go here and paste here 1.1 is the gateway here. Same thing I will do here also. In this one I will write 192.168.1.2.1. 2.2 I will use because 2.1 we use already here. This side we are configuring, so this will be the gateway to our PC. So I will go here desktop IP config here, and we will put here 2.1, and here we can do like 2.2 we use, so we can use 2.3. We can go desktop and here we can paste, and we can paste here 2.1 is a gateway, and here 2.4. so this will be the IP of this machine I will assign here, and here will be the 2.1 will be the gateway. Okay, and now we need to configure this router. After that it will start working. So how we can do the configuration? We can do the configuration here. I can write here, this is a basic we can say basic network configuration lab. Here I need to do the R1 configuration, so I will write here R1 configuration, enable config T, host name R1, and then interface G0/0/0. Whatever interface we have, we will write that one, this interface G0/0/0. You will type this interface and press enter, you will go under that interface. Then you need to assign the IP. If you want to assign the IP, you will write IP address. You can write full form or shortcut also enough. Then you will write here IP address, whatever IP address we plan. Then give space and write the subnet mask 255.255.0, and we will write no shut here. Then you have one more interface here, interface G0/0/1, and here I will write here IP address, and we will assign whatever IP we plan there. We plan here 2.1, so I am putting that one only, and the subnet mask we will have this one, and write no shut here. So that's all. This is the basic configuration we need to do, and after that we can ping, it will work. So let me copy and paste this inside this router. First time I will write no, then I will paste the configuration. If you see here, I pasted everything, look good, no error here. If I want to save, I will press Ctrl Z to come out there. If I want to save the configuration, I will write WR to save the configuration. and here STP will work for some time, and after that it will be okay, and we can go to the computer. Later we will see what is STP, no need to worry about that one. Go here, go to the command prompt, write here ping. You are pinging from this computer to this computer. So write 192.168.2.2 and press enter and wait for some time and check it is working or not. First packet will drop for the ARP. After that it will start working. So it is working perfectly. If you go and do here also, it will work. It is working perfectly. So now this is a basic lab we done, and we are checking with the different IP. It is working perfectly. So this is the assignment for you. I will